Ladies and gentlemen,
So hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In today's video, we will see how we can plot more graphs related to the stock market using Python. There are few graphs which cannot be plotted using Matplotlib or the directly the Finance library. So we have to use another library which is called MPL Finance, which provides the extensive functionality for financial plotting. There are various types of graph which you can plot. So for this, what we have to do is you have to install that library using the command pip install mp. So I have already have the stock data which is in the variable stock underscore data, and the company that we are dealing over here is the TCS. So we are analyzing the TCS data. Now I'm going to plot few graphs which are named over here, that how we can plot the Kagi line break, range bar, Renko point, and picture chart. So first I'm just plotting a normal graph which is mpf dot plot. Then I'm considering as a type mpl dot plot, and then the data is stock data. Then I have to define the type, which type of the plot you want. At this time, I'm requesting for the candle, then the line plot, Renko plot, TNF plot, OHLC plot. Then we have the candle plot again with the different parameters, which is 369. Another one is the candle plot where I'm using the volume as well, which is going to predict both which is going to show us both the things. One is the price and another one is the volume on the same graph. So that's how MPF library, which is MPL Finance library works. MPF is the nickname which we have given to the MPL Finance library while importing that library into our file. I hope you like this video. This is the third part. If you have not watched the 1 and 2 part of this, go watch it out. You can have the clear understanding of how Y Finance, how Matplotlib, and how MPL Finance library works for stock market.